Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, Quizopedia. Glowing Star, are you ready to dive into the timeless epic of the Ramayana and test your knowledge? Today, we've prepared an exciting quiz with 10 questions that will help you explore and deepen your understanding of Ramayana. Let's get started. Here's question 1. Who is the author of the Ramayana? A. Vyasa, B. Valmiki, C. Tulsidas, D. Kalidasa. You have 5 seconds to think. Time's up. The correct answer is B. Valmiki. The Ramayana was written by the sage Valmiki. It is one of the two major Sanskrit epics of ancient Indian literature, the other being the Mahabharata. Here's question 2. Who was abducted by Ravana in the Ramayana? A. Sita, B. Kaikeyi, C. Mandodari, D. Draupadi. You have 5 seconds to think. Time's up. The correct answer is A. Sita. Sita, the wife of Lord Rama, was abducted by Ravana, the demon king of Lanka, which led to the epic battle between Rama and Ravana. Here is question 3. Who is the main hero of the Ramayana? A. Lakshmana, B. Ravana, C. Hanuman, D. Rama. You have 5 seconds to think. Time's up. The correct answer is D. Rama. Rama, the seventh incarnation of Lord Vishnu, is the central figure in the Ramayana. Rama is the embodiment of righteousness and dharma, and is considered the ideal son, husband, and ruler. The epic follows Rama's journey to rescue Sita from the clutches of Ravana. Here is question 4. What is the name of Lord Rama's bow? A. Gandiva, B. Kaumodaki, C. Pinaka, D. Kodanda. You have 5 seconds to think. Time's up. The correct answer is D. Kodanda. Lord Rama's bow is called Kodanda, which is famous for being the weapon used in various battles, including during the war with Ravana in the Ramayana. Here is question 5. Who helped Rama build the bridge to Lanka? A. Vishwamitra, B. Hanuman, C. Sugriva, D. Nala and Neela. You have 5 seconds to think. Time's up. The correct answer is D. Nala and Neela. Nala and Neela, two Vanaras, monkeys, played a key role in constructing the bridge to Lanka, known as Rama Setu, which allowed Rama's army to cross the ocean and reach Ravana's kingdom to rescue his wife Sita Devi. Here is question 6. Who is the brother of Lord Rama who accompanied him to the forest during his exile? A. Bharatha, B. Lakshmana, C. Shatrughna, D. Vibhishna. You have 5 seconds to think. Time's up. The correct answer is B. Lakshmana. Lakshmana, Rama's younger brother, accompanied him into exile and played a pivotal role in protecting him and his wife, Sita, during their 14-year exile in the forest. Here is question 7. Who is Ravana's wife in the Ramayana? A. Mandodari, B. Kaikeyi, C. Sita, D. Shurpankha. You have 5 seconds to think. Time's up. The correct answer is A. Mandodari. Mandodari is the wife of Ravana, the demon king. She is often portrayed as wise and virtuous, despite her husband's actions. Here's question 8. Who is the son of Lord Rama and Sita? A. Bharat, B. Lava and Kusha, C. Angada, D. Shatrughna. You have 5 seconds to think. Time's up. The correct answer is B. Lava and Kush. Lava and Kusha are the twin sons of Lord Rama and Sita. They were born during Rama's exile. Here's question 9. What is the name of the monkey king who helped Rama in the battle against Ravana? A. Sugriva, B. Hanuman, C. Vibhishna, D. Jambavan. You have 5 seconds to think. Time's up. The correct answer is A. Sugriva. Sugriva, the monkey king, allied with Rama and played an essential role in gathering the Vanara army to fight against Ravana and rescue Sita. Here's question 10. Who killed Ravana in the Ramayana? A. Rama, B. Lakshmana, C. Hanuman, D. Indra. You have 5 seconds to think. Time's up. The correct answer is A. Rama. Lord Rama killed Ravana in a fierce battle by shooting an arrow at Ravana.
Thank you for watching. How many of you got these right? Let me know how you did in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quizzes like this. See you next time.